Hi there, guys and girls. Done watching of The Conjuring last right. Uh, what can I say about this movie? Quite satisfied. Hold on. Before we proceed, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother and Bill Board Christine, to my childhood friend Helen Careto, and special mention to George and Liz of what school is this? I forgot. DOMT in Manila. Hi, thank you for approaching me this afternoon in Santa Lucia. Thank you for the support. Hold on, I'll just take up you, okay? Hold on. And to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, to each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my first viewers, to each every one of you, okay? Hold on. I'll just. Okay, you know what? Um, the movie is good, but not kind of fantastic. But it's not totally below expectations. But um, make it a passable one. Not as good as the first installment, and not as scary as the second one. So I still prefer the first and second one. Hold on. I'll just make some garlic. What I really like and love for this movie because there's a young version of Ed Warren and what's this? Vera Farmiga. And they both look like the real one. So they've got, where is it? So they've got the right actors for the young version of Vera Farmiga and Patrick Wilson. And what else? The story goes around with the family, and they focus on the love, the family ties, how to be a committed to your job. So they didn't focus on screaming factor. So that's why some of the moviegoers some kind of disappointed. But there are now there are not actually a sorry, not actually a more on screaming scenes, but there are several, and I keep on shouting inside the movie house. And um, the first 90 minutes is quite good, and the last part of the movie is really a splendid one. And there are some kind of a unpredictable moments for the last fighting scenes with the demons and with the other villains. And you know what? I've been waiting for the other entity to be appeared on this movie, but they failed me to have on it. You know what? Some of the posts that I have read are false and some kind of a fake news. So, you know, once you read some articles on the social media, don't believe that much and seek it for yourself. That's why I had my chance on watching this film. And I don't think that they will have another installment for this one because I'm not gonna divulge. But I love the ending and how they make some shots on the aerial views and some of the um, other angles. And What else? I forgot. Please bear with me. For how many minutes do we have? We are now on 5 minutes. Um, I think that would be all for now. I still prefer the one and two. So not totally disappointing, but um, I think they should mix a an equal combination of screaming factor, the scary ones, and the story being all about. Now, what I'm trying to say is they should have a combination of the scary factor and the 50% of, actually it's a 70 and 30. Anyway, so I don't know if I can recommend this one, but it's all up for you. Okay, bye for now.